Hi everyone, I'm here at Triangle Nursery HQ and today I'm going to be doing our first vlog, a behind the scenes video on a guided tour of Triangle Nursery here in Suffolk. Now let's view the warehouse from the outside. Here you can see our bays and our triangle logo on the building. As we step into one of the bays, you'll notice the cold store immediately on the right. This is where we store all of our fresh stock to keep in peak condition. Now swinging to the left, we've got our packing area. Each station is fully equipped with everything we need. Laptops, boxes, banding tools, corrugated cardboard, wax craft paper, tape, etc. Now stepping into the cold store, it's the end of the day, so it's a little bit more roomier than normal, and we're expecting a fresh delivery first thing tomorrow morning. Now at the back of the warehouse is our picking department. This is where all of the orders come together. Our team selects every order and is then sent down the line to be packed and dispatched. Now tucked away in the back is our staff room. It's much needed during busy mornings and long packing days. And then moving on, we've got our garland and our arrangement area. This is where we can prep for floral designs and garlands that we sell on the site. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, or better yet, hit subscribe to be notified of our all new videos on flower advice, flower guides, new products coming onto the website, and also behind the scenes at Triangle Nursery. Now I'm going to show you the sundries department. Let's go! Now over here in our sundries department, we literally stock hundreds of products, from dried and artificial flowers, ribbons, florist foam, living vases, sprays, care card vases, and everything in between. These can be added to all of our fresh flower orders, giving our customers access to a full toolkit for floristry. And finally, we loop back around to the front of the building where you'll find the office and customer support team, always ready to help with questions, advice and wholesale support. That's a quick behind the scenes look at Triangle Nursery. Thank you so much for joining us today. We've got lots more to share, so don't forget to subscribe and follow along for tips, tours and floristry know-hows. Thank you again, and bye for now.